This is the sandwich bag that I used to put the dough in, the pizza dough that I made the other day. And I'm going to make some garlic knots. So I'm going to kind of spread it out. Then I'm going to cut some pieces and make some knots out of it. Alright, so I basically rolled it out already. It's nice and thin. You know, it's about, I don't know, it's actually less than a quarter inch. I'm going to cut strips now. Alright, here we go. I'm going to cut in about, I guess, 1/2 inch strips. Maybe 3/4. That's all. Nice and simple. I should use my pizza cutter, huh? Alright, you convinced me. Here we go. It lifts sometimes and you wind up cutting it twice anyway. Here we go. Just one time is good enough. I have a habit of making sure it cuts twice because I'm not used to this thing, but hey, get used to it. So now I'll just take it, just like this. I'll just tie it in a knot, okay? And you know it's gonna want to stick to you. So, just like that, really simple. And just put it in the pan. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get these things in there. I'm gonna put 3 across. When you make it thin like this, they get crunchy, right? And I guess that's what you want, huh? Okay, so I got all the garlic knots done. Remember, they don't need to be perfect. They're gonna proof a little bit. They're gonna swell up just a touch before I put them in the oven. And while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to cut up some fresh garlic that I'm going to mince, and I'm also going to get some fresh Italian parsley from the yard. Be right back. Okay. So I just cut this from outside. Love fresh parsley. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. The oven's set at 400 and it's going in. Figure about 12 to 15 minutes should do it. I'm going to cut up a little parsley right now. You know, it's very loose, so I kind of like to try to get it together and just chop it up. You know, it's a loose chop. Once I get it going, then it'll get easier, you know. See, I like the leverage on this because you can just whip it once you get it going. Put your hand out here like this and just go crazy with it. As long as it's sharp, it's all good. That's it. Okay, so I have my parsley all chopped up in here in my bowl, my large bowl, and now I've got my garlic cloves. I like to be gentle with the garlic cloves, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or one more for good luck. 7, the perfect number. Okay, it's all smashed up and no place to go. So basically I do the same thing. I just chop it up, make sure it stays in one place. Once I get it started, I bring it around this way. It'll kick around, maybe here and there, but you gotta chop it up and you gotta stay with it. There she blows, man. Get the big chunks off there, get back in there, and get back in the race. That's life. That's what they say. Jack. All right. Here we go. Skipping and a jumping, peeping and a hiding, been told a long time ago. We're just about done. Chop it up. That's it. That goes into the bowl. Okay, so here you go. I've got the minced garlic in there with the parsley. It's about a 1-to-1 ratio. And now I come in with the olive oil. Drizzle that in there. About the same, as you can see. And that's it. Now, my garlic knots, when they're ready, they're going in here. Hot and heavy, with maybe a little salt and pepper, depends on your taste. And that's it. You're ready to rock and roll. Ready to mangiamo. Okay, the garlic knots are out. And of course, you want to put them in a non-stick pan. Take a look at them. Okay, I know. There you go. Throw them all in here. The idea is to put them all in when it's hot. This way that olive oil and all that flavor with the garlic and parsley penetrate and stick to it. Alright? So basically we're gonna just jump it around. One hand is tough, but I'll get a spoon. Show you where I'm going with it. Here we go. We're gonna do this, okay? Just like this. That's the deal right here. Alright? Just like that. See all that garlic bouncing around? You tell me. You tell me, Jack. Check it out. Ah, you see how nice and happy they're all getting? Look at that. Oh, isn't that lovely? So guys, as I said before, subscribe. Click that button to the right. Look at this. Look at these things, huh? I'm going to have one right now. Wow. So good. Wow, wow, wow. Give me some more. Give me some more loving over there, Jack. Look at that. See that? Okay. Now you see it? Now you don't. Enjoy your ride, folks. I know. I shouldn't talk with my mouth full, but enjoy the ride and God bless.